Why is it that every time I go to a restaurant, no matter how upscale the meal, this dish of hot and sour shredded potatoes is always a must-order? It's just a few dollars a pound of ordinary potatoes, so why has it dominated Chinese dining tables for decades, becoming the undisputed king of home-style dishes? Today's seemingly ordinary hot and sour shredded potatoes will absolutely overturn your perception of this versatile and appetizing dish. Don't underestimate these inexpensive potatoes. They're actually low-fat, high-nutrient, underground apples. Potatoes are rich in high-quality dietary fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, which not only help promote intestinal peristalsis and detoxify the body, but also provide a strong feeling of fullness, so you don't have to worry about gaining weight no matter how much you eat. With the appetizing kick of chili peppers and the refreshing touch of vinegar, it's tangy, spicy, crisp, and juicy. A single plate is incredibly fragrant, and just mixing it with rice is enough to make you devour 2 large bowls. Economical and extremely appetizing, it's a super popular choice whether it's a quick dinner for busy workers or a staple on the family table. So, how do you cut it to be as thin as hair? How do you stir fry to achieve a flavorful, tangy, and juicy dish that's never sticky? Keep reading to find out. To make a delicious, tangy, and crisp shredded potato dish, selecting fresh, high-quality potatoes is the crucial first step. When buying potatoes, remember these 3 don't buy principles. First, never buy potatoes with green skin or areas of green discoloration. Potatoes that turn green after exposure to sunlight produce large amounts of a toxin, solanine. Second, potatoes with prominently protruding eyes or even sprouting small shoots, especially those longer than 1 centimeter, have already contained toxins and should not be bought. Third, potatoes with bruises, black spots, gray spots, or that feel soft and wrinkled are prone to mold and spoilage and should also be avoided. Choose potatoes with smooth, firm skin, no damage, and a little natural soil attached. Soil indicates they were recently harvested, are very fresh, and have a longer shelf life. Avoid potatoes that are damp, waterlogged, or have thick, aged skin. Wash the fresh potatoes to remove the soil, peel off the outer skin, and rinse them thoroughly before using. After washing, let's start shredding. First, slice it into thin, translucent pieces, then cut them into thin strips. Although there are many convenient potato shredders on the market that produce quick and even shreds, I personally prefer shredding by hand with a knife, because knife-cut potato shreds have a more uniform cross-section, retaining more of the potato's fiber and moisture. The resulting crisp, juicy texture after cooking is incomparable to the soft, mushy texture of shredded potatoes. Arrange the shredded potatoes neatly, and now we'll soak them in water to remove the starch. First, soak the shredded potatoes in clean water to wash away excess starch. This will ensure the stir-fried potatoes are crisp and non-sticky. After removing the starch, drain the water. Next, heat a wok over high heat until the water evaporates, preparing to grease the wok. This step is crucial. Because of the high starch content of the shredded potatoes, they will immediately stick and burn if not greased. Heat the cooking oil in the wok over high heat until it just begins to smoke slightly. Immediately turn off the heat. Let it sit for 1 minute after turning off the heat, allowing the hot oil to form a smooth, even film on the wok walls. Then, reheat the oil over low heat. This greased wok will be incredibly smooth, ensuring the stir-fried potatoes won't stick at all. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and sauté quickly over low heat. As you stir with the spatula, the rich aroma of garlic is instantly released. While the garlic aroma is at its strongest, quickly add the drained potato shreds to the pan. Now turn the heat up to high and start stir-frying. Stir-fry constantly, making sure to toss the potato shreds frequently so that each shred is evenly heated and coated with the garlic flavor. Keep stir-frying over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the potato shreds gradually soften from their initial firmness, becoming translucent and releasing a delicate fragrance. At this point, the potato shreds are about 70 to 80% cooked, perfect for absorbing the seasonings. Now, let's quickly add the seasonings to give it its signature tangy and spicy flavor. Now it's time to give the shredded potatoes their soul. Pour a suitable amount of rice vinegar along the edge of the wok. No, be sure to pour it along the edge of the wok. The high temperature at the edge of the wok instantly brings out the tangy aroma of the rice vinegar, not only locking in the crisp texture of the shredded potatoes, but also retaining the tangy aroma while removing the harshness of the vinegar, making the sourness more mellow and rich. After pouring in the rice vinegar, immediately add a little water. This little bit of water plays a big role. It generates a small amount of steam, helping the heat quickly penetrate the shredded potatoes and instantly coating each shred with a tangy aroma. Quickly stir-fry a few times to evenly distribute the steam and vinegar aroma. Add salt to taste, then add a little soy sauce to enhance the flavor and color. The soy sauce will give the shredded potatoes a light, shiny golden base color, making them look more appealing. Let's stir-fry quickly and evenly. Next, we'll add a touch of oyster sauce for extra flavor, and then the key ingredient for today's dish, Gillen chili sauce. The moment you add the Gillen chili sauce, its unique spiciness and the complex aroma of fermented garlic burst forth. The umami of the oyster sauce intertwines with the tangy spiciness of the Gillen chili sauce, creating a more layered and richer flavor profile than that achieved with regular dried chilies. Perfect for a truly satisfying meal. Once all the seasonings are added, turn up the heat and stir-fry quickly and evenly. Stir-fry the seasonings and potato shreds thoroughly until they are fully absorbed and the potatoes are completely soft, translucent, and coated with a beautiful sauce. Look, the fragrant, sour, and spicy aroma is irresistible. It's ready to be served soon. This simple and easy to make, sour and spicy potato shreds are now ready. It's not only a perfect dish to eat with rice and an excellent lunchbox option, but it's also incredibly economical. The cost of making it is only 2 or 3 yuan, making it absolutely cost-effective. Give it a try. If this tutorial helped you with your cooking, remember to like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future updates on home-style recipes. You can also tell me what kind of food you'd like to see in the comment section, and I'll gradually update accordingly. Thank you very much for watching.